How to Add Your Shopify Store Link to Instagram 2025 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Shopify store link to your Instagram profile so your followers can easily visit your store and shop your products. Let's get started. Step 1. Copy your Shopify store link. First, log into your Shopify admin and copy your full store link. It will look like yourstorename.myshopify.com or your custom domain like w.yourbrand.com. Step 2. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Step 3. Tap Edit Profile. Next, tap the Edit Profile button under your bio. Step 4. Add your store link in the website field. Look for the field that says Website. Paste your Shopify store link here. Step 5. Save changes. Once you've added your link, tap Done or the checkmark to save your profile changes. Bonus tip: add call to action in bio. To encourage clicks, add a short line in your bio, like shop our latest collection below, or click to shop now. And that's it. Your Shopify store link is now visible on your Instagram profile, so your followers can visit and shop directly. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and comment below if you want more Instagram and Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.